Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I am here today to do my weekly journal setup in my Pen and Gear Traveler's Notebook, which I have a Dollar Tree planner as an insert in the notebook. I did receive my new dashboard from COCO'S Vision. As you can see, this one is kind of stuck to this cover, so it's pretty much ruined, but I will come back in another video and work on how I'm going to use it or set it up in this planner. My cover started coming off, so I did go in with some washi tape. This washi tape is from Capital Chic Designs collection at Michael's. So, and I put a little glue stick on the washi tape to help it hold. So I added some in the front and in the back. I mean, it's not, I probably could have just covered this whole thing with washi tape, but since we're almost at the end of the year, I just didn't. I just repaired the loose cover and kept it moving. So as you can see, I've pretty much taken everything out. It's basically a shell. And this is last week's spread. And I did do a little journaling. I haven't done my Sunday journaling yet. Today is Sunday, so let's move on to the next week, which is the 12th through the 18th. If you've been keeping up with my Instagram, you know that I have been doing a lot of Halloween stuff. And one thing I've noticed this year, I've done 1 or 2 breast cancer awareness themed spreads or pink spreads or projects, but I've noticed that this year and even a little last year in October or Pinktober, there wasn't much, I didn't hear much about breast cancer awareness. Not like I've heard in previous years. I don't know. Has anyone else noticed that? But anyway, I decided this week I'm going to stray away from the Halloween vibe. Let's see, I have a couple more weeks that I can do Halloween for anyway. Yeah, so the next 2 weeks maybe I can do Halloween. This week we're going to do pink for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So I have my pink pumpkins, and I don't know if, I know this is a freebie in the Facebook group. I'm pretty sure it is. It's been a year or two since I've offered it, so you might have to look back. This, I pulled these from the Esha B kit, the Planner Moon kit that I used. It's a printable. Again, that's one of the things I like about printables. So I used part of that kit on this spread here. So I pulled the day of the weeks and the weekends, and I'll be using these. And then we have some florals and greenery from the seasonal pages. And then I have this doll that I illustrated her years ago, like years ago. So I pulled her and printed her out, and we're going to use her, and then that's it. So all I need to do is figure out what washi tape I want to use. So I think I'll use this, and I may pull out something else as I go. I don't know, but let's go ahead and white out this. I don't have anything for the header. I was going to, oh, this one is out. So do I just throw that away or recycle it, or how does that work? What was I saying? Oh, the header. So I don't know what I'm going to do for the header. Okay. I might work with these as well, because just to do something a little different. I don't know. Let's try this up at the top. See what that looks like. And I hope my mic isn't like scraping up against my shirt. I noticed that it did that in my I need to figure out what I'm going to call that planner. In my standard rings video for last week. So hopefully it's not doing that again, because I know people get annoyed with things like that. So I'm trying to do the best I can over here. Tear that at an angle, and it's not going to work. So let's I need to move down a little bit because I was trying not to cover up where it says week and the number. Kind of want to keep that visible. Maybe I should have did the flowers without a bleed around them, or an offset rather, not bleed, offset. I'm gonna have to lift all of that up whenever I get ready to place the washi tape. Maybe I'll find a quote or something to put up there. I don't know. So I'm not using that leaf. And I think I can put these away for now. Let's go on to laying down our washi. And I'm going to put the sparkles to the bottom. I don't normally do this, but I'm going to do it this time. Where the dates and the days are showing through the washi tape. Let's white that out. I could just cover these strips with sticker paper, but I got the white out, so I might as well use the white out. Okay. Now instead of the letters showing through, the whiteout shows through. Okay, so now I know next time, just use the sticker paper. Maybe I'll put something over here, just a little something. So I kind of wanted to use the scripts without the background, but since the whiteout is showing through. I better use these to cover it up. So I did not print the numbers for the little circles. So I'm gonna have to use something else, but I need something to go with her. I don't know, I feel like I need something to tie it all together. It's just like clumps. I don't know. Maybe I'll think of something while I am putting down the dates. So I am going to use dates and holidays, the teeny tiny dates. I get a lot of questions about this. This is an old book from the Happy Planner, sticker book from the Happy Planner. It is from 2017. So, and I don't think they make this one anymore. I think they make one similar, but not this one. So I'm going to use these tiny dates, and they do fit perfectly. And I get so much satisfaction from using the stray numbers that get left behind, like these. I just want to use those. So that looks good. That's fairly easy. Let's see. I haven't used much out of Simply Lovely. I need to start using this. Okay. I might have to use some of these pink flowers from here. I want to use that sticker. And I want to use this heart. And I want to use You Are Magic. This book is Simply Lovely from the Happy Planner. It is from 2018, or that's the copyright on it. Yeah. I may be putting too many stickers, but that She's Magic would have been cute. I'm gonna have to use these roses for something. And I'm gonna use a couple of these little ones now. I just wanted to use that. So a lot of the things that you see me put down sometimes, I just want to use it. It really serves no purpose. So. Okay, enough goofing off with that. I think we're done. Yeah, I need to use this book a little bit more than I do. I'm not really happy with it. I think it's because I'm using my own doll, partially because of that. It's okay, but I don't know what it is. I don't like to use my own dolls. I don't know why that is. Anywho, I'm just going to stop there. I've noticed that I do tend to like the spreads better once I start writing on them, especially when I use ink that coordinates with the color of the spread. So yeah, so maybe once I start writing on it, I'll like it better. But I think we're done for the week. It's not much more I want to do to this. So I'm just going to pop this back in. So that is my breast cancer awareness Pinktober spread. It's not as fabulous as I wanted it to be, but it's okay. So that's it for this week's spread. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for craft videos and junk journals. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. Visit my website and shop at Scrapcraftastic.com. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.